Hi everyone, Lacey and Broody again from History with Cats, and we're here today with another episode of Folklore Thursday, where we're going to be telling you about a collection of some creepy medieval ghost stories. Now, these ghost stories are currently held in a manuscript in the British Library, but they were originally written by the monks at Byland Abbey in North Yorkshire. Now, these collection of ghost tales, of which there are 12, were probably written around the year 1400, and they feature the names of many local people and local landmarks. So it's thought by scholars that a lot of these stories probably would have been about people who had lived in that area at the time. Now, a lot of the ghosts in these stories have lived a not-so-ideal life or had a not-so-ideal death, and so they need to help people out in order to move on out of purgatory. So we have a couple examples that we're going to be sharing over the next week or so in the lead up to Halloween. And today we're going to tell you a little bit about the first story in this collection of medieval ghost tales. Now, this story is about a man who was riding on his horse carrying some beans when his horse fell and unfortunately broke its leg. So the man decided he'd just carry the beans on his own. He was met by what he thought was another horse, but it surprisingly shape-shifted into a bale of hay that was rotating with a bright light in the middle. So this guy knew that he was dealing with something a little out of the ordinary. So he asked it to please not hurt him in the name of God, and it didn't. It shape-shifted again into a man who told him that he was a ghost who wasn't able to move on because he had done some wrongs in his life and he needed to help someone out to be able to correct that. So the man let the ghost carry his beans part way. Then the beans magically appeared back on the man's back. He prayed for the ghost's soul, and the ghost was able to move on. So a happy ending to that ghost story. We hope you enjoyed learning about this medieval ghost tale and that you will join us for more next time with more History with Cats.